In this video, I'll show you how you can fix Windows Security Center service can't be started. What you want to do is you want to come here and you want to search for registry editor. In here it should look like this. And what you want to do is you want to find HKey local machine, click on it. Then in here you want to go to system. So go to system, and in system you want to find current control set. Click on the drop down on this one. Then you want to go to services, drop down on services, and in here you want to scroll all the way down until you find W. So let's find W right here. And then you want to look for the one called WSC. So let's look for that one. WSC SVC, this one. What you want to do inside this one is you want to find start, double click, and make sure value data is on 2. So press OK right here. If for some reason you're having trouble with editing to 2, you can right click on register editor, run as administrator, and then it might let you change it to the 2. Once you've done that, you want to search for services. Inside services, you want to press anywhere and press S. Now we want to look for security center. It is right here. You want to double click on this one. And in here, we just want to check that it's on automatic and it says running. Once we've done this, you can restart your PC and then it should work. Now, I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.